Hello, welcome to this channel Gain Java Knowledge. As you know, the documentation is an mandatory part of building microservices API. So, today in this video, we will discuss about how to document microservices API by using Open API specification. And the Open API specification, originally known as the Swagger specification, and it is a specification for machine readable interface files for describing, producing, consuming and visualizing RESTful web services. Okay, let's begin. Here I have created one Spring Boot project, that is Student CRUD. So to generate the Open API specification document, first we need to add one dependency in our pom.xml. So first I will open my pom.xml, and in my pom.xml I have added this dependency, that is spring org.springdoc open API UI, and the version is 1.3.5. After adding this dependency, now I will go to my main class, and here I need to add one dependency, that is @open API specification, open API definition, and here I will pass the parameters, that is info, and in info I will pass multiple arguments, that is @info, here I will pass the parameter as a title. We can give any name, that is student CRUD API. Like this we can give version, and that will be like 2.0, and we can give any version, and in description we can give any name, student services. Now I will run this API, go to my main class and run as the Java application. Now my Tomcat server will be start. Now my application started. Now I will go to Chrome, and here I will open localhost 8080 v3/API-docs. Now when I will call to this URL, it will open the documentation for my APIs. Here you can see the documentation. The title I given, that was student CRUD API, and this is the description, and that is the version, and we can also download it, this documentation. For this we need to add in our URL YAML and hit enter. Now you can see here the file downloaded, so I will go there show in folder. Here you can see this. Now I will open this, edit with Notepad+. And here you can see the documentation. That is the documentation generated by OpenAPI specification. That is the title and description and version, and the 4 APIs that we have defined in our REST controller. Student ID, that is put type request, and the parameters name, ID, and like this get API, post API, and delete API. So we can also modify this URL from here. If we want to modify this URL, so we need to go our application.properties file, and inside our application.properties file we need to define spring doc.api-docs.path. Now I will save it and stop my server. And run the application again. Run as a Java application. Now my application has started. Now I will go to my browser and hit the URL. Now it will not work because we have changed the path. So now I will type here student docs and will hit. Now this is the API response, API specification response. It is the student CRUD API, description and version, everything is generated. And the OpenAPI specification also support to Swagger UI. So we can also see swagger-ui.html and can test our API from here also. This is a Swagger UI supported by OpenAPI specification, and these are the REST endpoints that we have created in our student controller. And this is the student CRUD API title, and this is the description and version. And here from here we can add the student. I will click here, try it out, and from here I will add any name and any city, and no need to pass ID from here because it will be generated automatically. Now I will execute. Here you can see the response. That is the ID generated by Hibernate generated value generator, and it is a name and the city. Like this we can test our all APIs from here. Okay, and thanks for watching this video.